Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we got something real exciting. Hope it pans out. Right here we're chilling with my custom 91 Nissan hardbody, and right over here is our friend Carrie's 180SX. Let me flip the cam. So this is our friend Carrie's 94 Nissan 180SX. So this is the JDM 240SX, essentially. Right-hand drive, would come with the SR20 DET, and it is our friend Carrie's. He's got it for sale, and my close homie Brendan wants to look at it. Basically, something's going on with the engine, a whole thing. We'll get into it in just a little bit, but it is not running. We're gonna kind of look it over, talk about maybe the scenarios, and there's a small chance this engine could need a full rebuild, or it could be something maybe not so serious. So basically, Brendan's going into buying this car with the intent that it might need a full engine rebuild. We have made a video on this car. This car has a one-of-one video on my channel. It's one of the earlier ones, so it's a little old, but excited to be checking this thing out because this is like one of the sexiest cars around. Factory, like, it's all wide body and stuff too. It's crazy. Oh, good look at the SI. I love the purple valve cover myself. Hit the horn. Beautiful, dude. The limo golf cart. Say that one more time. I need that exact line.
Dude, within the time of Brendan trying to buy this car, I sold this one.
Hey, come see my boy Travis Belanger over at Mark Motors Nissan in Sanford, Maine. If you're looking for you got to continue it.
Nissan Kicks, below MSRP values on brand new cars, above market value on trade-ins.
We're still looking at the 180.
I sold this. Within the time you've been looking at this. You sold me.
Congratulations. Oh, I love it. This is fun. Yeah, we're just going through the specs. We're just talking about what it could need. Right now, we know it needs an oil filter housing. I think my game plan thought is if Brendan picks up this car, we're going to put a new oil filter housing on it, put a new oil filter on it, and start it up. You know, put some oil in there and see if it makes some noise. You know, it's a little bit of a gamble, so definitely an interesting situation. But if it does need to be built, we can build it. Well, we've given the car a good look over. We've seen this car before on the channel, but if it's been a long time for you, I'll give you guys a quick walk around. So we have the Veil side shift knob, a little aftermarket wheel, some aftermarket faceplates in there. It's got two different seats. It is fully caged. It has a body kit. I'm not sure what kind of body kit. You got your side skirts. You got your aftermarket wider front fenders. You do get a aftermarket front bumper. It's supposedly a 180SX Type X. You get the duckbill back here, wide-bodied right in the rear there. Some cool custom taillights. You get the big duckbill, the cage. It's on some aftermarket suspension. You got the aftermarket exhaust. It's got an S15 turbo. I should have had the hood open for that. And all sorts of other fun goodies. But that's a little walk around on this beautiful car. Did you sell this? You sell this one yet? Oh. You just sold this? No way.
Because I already bought a car. I already sold a car too.
Ooh, my man. Selling cars left and right. Yeah, Travis a real one for hooking us up with this yo-yo. Shoo. There we go. Oh, almost had it. Yeah, it's been a minute. This is sick. All right. Let's see it. Ooh, that was crisp. Brendan now owns a 180, by the way. I know this is a car vlog, but we just be having fun out here. All right, we got to move this so Peter can pick it up. All right, we moving it now. I say we, but I'm not doing anything. I'm just getting the rollers. Shit. Real low. Are you hitting the brakes? I love it. Getting ready for our boy Peter to pick it up. The man to call every time. This is beautiful. What a beautiful moment.
Perfect.
How do you feel owning 240SX in Japan? 180.
Yeah.
Well, just grabbing a quick random thumbnail picture, but pretty excited to see what the plan is for the 180SX for Brendan. It's going to be pretty sick to get this thing to his place and really start diagnosing it, going through it. Everything's going great, and excited to see what this car's got in store. All right, guys, it is like 8 o'clock at night. We just took out the Vert hard body, and I'm excited. The car's going to be here any minute over at Brendan's crib, and I am super excited to crack into the car. I have a couple suspicions that it might not be as crazy as we think, but I don't know. You're going to have to figure that out in part 2. I'm just excited to see the car finally in his driveway, and that'll make this a fun vid. The homie Peter with the hookups. Let's go. Check it out. Call my boy Peter. He's the man. 3-window Merc on Insta. Ready? Watch this cool trailer. No ramps needed. Simple. So sick. Literally, maybe a ramp or two, might not need it. Drop it down. Good to go. Look at this car. Hey, boys, this is going to be so insane. Here she is, all settled up in Brennan's driveway. You got the Mr. 2 over there. Things are looking pretty good. This car's got a bright future ahead of it, for sure. Hang out with us, I guess, next video when we jump into the diagnostic half of things. So this could be a shorter video. I don't know how long it's going to be, but that is okay. Next video, we're going to dive in, diagnose it, see what's going on with it, bring you along for the journey, and it should be a lot of fun. Like I said, these vlog-style videos on this car are going to be awesome. Brendan's got his own channel. Go subscribe to @JDMSW20. I'll put it down below. Link in description. Yo, what's up, guys? Quick editor's note because I'm on my walk and I lost my transition clip. So now that we've gotten Brendan's 180 up in his driveway, we're going to call it for part 1 of the 180. But I got some pretty cool vlog-style clips from over the last few months, hanging out with some friends, working on cars. So we're going to jump into that now. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm taking y'all with me. A little vlog-style vid right now. We are hopping in the purple truck right now, and we're going to go visit my cousin T. He's working on his little turbo EG sedan, and we're just going to go hang out, go for a little rip. Nighttime, why not? This is like this is the fun vlog stuff I got to take y'all along with me for. All right, guys, we here. Travis got the tools. All right, let's see it. Let's get some cinematic. Love it. The viewers love it. See, I got no one to film for me, so I'm like, all right, boys, I'm doing this, and then I'm doing a little bit of that. There's going to be NASCAR pit crew sheep out here in a minute. All right, 4 lugs, 20 minutes. Not a bad time. Look at these tires, just clean.
Drip spec.
Calipers painted. Adds like extra 15 horse. Nice.
I can't wait to take this to H Day.
We're just doing his tie rods, boys. This is all I took you along for, but all right, we gotta get that cotter pin out of here. This ain't even a how-to, boys. This is like a random vlog style. Like, it's gonna be done in like 10 minutes, and I ain't even gonna film any of it.
We're
really just messing around.
Don't say that, because it ain't gonna be a 10-minute fix.
Bro, it's gonna be a 10-minute fix. Watch, I'll timestamp. Oh, yo, Ariana, what's the time right now?
8:38.
8:38, like from a valid source.
Into you, but I mean so deep. You know I'm just joking.
All right, guys, I gotta share. I'm in the Beetle. I'm into the Ladybug. The Ladybug right now. The windshield like 10 feet away. I just had to share that. Just rolled up into Punch Buggy. The Ladybug. The Lady Punch Buggy. The Ladybug. The Ladybuggy? I don't know. You got a name? It's just a Ladybug, but Ladybuggy is pretty cool. Just scan it, bro. Yeah, you have to scan it.
No, it feels like it's working.
Here, put it up to the hole. Does it fit back in the hole just right?
Oh man,
We're spinning something.
I also can't really see a whole lot from here.
You're definitely not on it, but try it. Yeah, you got it. We just had to turn the wheel, and then that made the most sense. And now we got it. We're gang. And bam, just like that, that's on. And now for other reasons, we only have 10 minutes to do this one, and I think we can do it. Hey, it runs. Well, that was tonight's very fun car vlog. I hope you guys like that. I'll see you in our next adventure, whatever it is next. Got any closing words?
Don't buy a Civic.
Oh, no, buy a Civic. All right, guys. This is, we got Shaq's LS400 here. We got the Mercedes over there. We got the Ladybuggy over here. We got a good name for it. The GS350, the Baghdad Ford Ranger. A couple other homies coming through later. But Dom has the turbo brick out here. I don't even think I've ever made a video about this. I think this is before my YouTube channel. And Dom is just did a bunch of stuff to it, and it's turboed. It has been turboed. Now it's supposed to be fast. So we're gonna go for a ride and abide by the laws and knock over the speed limit because we're good people.
Interior, it's ripped apart.
Is that pretzels in a jar?
No, they're candied pecans.
Why does it smell
Cool.
like garlic bread in here?
I'm gonna take that camera.
Dude. The homies in the turbo brick. What's up, dude? I love how light it's just saying.
Yeah,
I'm not even hating. It's a project. I get it. It's complete.
Yes,
Everything is just disconnected right now. But you did just fresh get it back, so it's okay. I'm not hating.
I got home at 5 a.m.
Dude, this is just it's good content because I don't know why it's 2 words there. It's good content because people get to see it come together.
It doesn't like reverse.
Dude, that is sick. The sunroof. Oh, wow. Actually, kind of sick. Oh, man. I love hearing it come into boost like that, though. Alright, Dom's Turbo Volsky. Sounds good, though. It does sound really good. Phew. Yeah, boys, check this out. Donnie brought over a cake for Ramey, because we're having that combined Lexus Ramey birthday party, and check that out. That is so sick. All right, now we're gonna have some fun. Shaq gave us the keys to the LS, and Travis never been in a bad car, so it's gonna be real fun, real fun. The LS 400 is such a beautiful car. Maybe I need this. Ready? Look at that, dude. The key goes in and just. Woo.
What's going on, guys?
Dude, life is good with the homies. Check it. This looks so sexy. I love this car. What up, bro?
What's up?
Bam. Time to get that fuel. Check it out. LS 400 windows. So sick. So we just got done filming Evan's 96 Toyota Mark II, but wanted to grab this beautiful clip of Nathan's Volkswagen Corrado on the new Rotiforms. What wheels are they?
So the wheel underneath is the laser, the
Yep.
LSR, and then these are the air discs on top.
So yeah, he's got these beautiful aero discs on here now. I love the gold accent in the center. Change the suspension up a little bit. Look how pretty this thing's looking. I know it's fun to document these, these fun moments because not too often we'll get to see this on the channel because he just lives so far away. These clips keep getting better and better. We got a fellow right-hand drive car. Well, we're in the right-hand drive car. How's that make you feel? It's pretty good. It's pretty gas. But dude, cruising the Oob strip in the Mark II is beautiful. Actually, it's a Hiace. It's a Toyota Hiace right there. Beautiful to see cruising around. There he goes. Peace. Well, all right, everybody, that's going to be it for today's fun vlog style video. Super excited to see that 180SX in Brennan's driveway. The next video is going to be us working on the car, diagnosing it, and seeing if it's blown up or if we can get it to start or figure out what is going on with it. But if you want to see some more car content in the future, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching, and peace out.